I'm Chas from Chas's Crazy Creations, and you were watching Hometalk.
This is my parents' house, and it's really hard to put lights on with their steep roof.
So today I'm making a surprise for them, and I'm going to utilize this amazing walkway that they have in front of their house. But this is going to be something everyone can do. It's so easy. Come on, let's get started.
I started by driving to Home Depot to get my supplies. I grabbed a roll of sprinkler line and brought it home. I brought the pipe home and I unrolled the pipe onto my yard as straight as I could get it. Next, we measured out 20 feet of pipe. We cut the pipe at 20 feet and then we repeated this process 3 times. Here are all 3 of the cut pipes. Next, I'm going to take these brooms from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to remove the handle from the broom. Here are all the brooms, and I needed 6 of them for this project. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to map out where I want each of the archways to go. So I'm going to do that along here. Next, I'm going to place the stake in the ground and I'm going to hammer it into the ground, but long enough sticking out of the ground for the project. And I'm just using a rubber mallet to pound them into the ground. The next thing I'm going to do is slide the pipe onto the pole. That you're creating. And then I'm going to do this to the other side as well. So you can see how easy that was, just putting the archways up. So stake and arch, super easy, anyone can do it. Now it's time to add the lights. So I started by laying an extension rod along their rocks, and it will come out at the bottom. Now you can use any lights that you want. I'm going to start with some white lights, and depending upon what occasion you're doing, you can create different looks with these. So like all white might be great for a wedding, and you know, you've got your holidays, you've got graduation, you've got different things of the year that you could do this concept for. So the first arch is all wrapped, and we're going to talk about the plug on the bottom. And so we're at the bottom and we're going to plug it in, but we're wrapping the excess around so that we don't have as much dead space. So we're going to pull the line straight, and then we're going to go over here and wrap it around the base of the next one so that it stays into place. Now we're going to continue winding up the next pole, and I'll show you what it looks like as I finish looping all of these lights on the arches. Now I have a little bit of extra lighting. You could either leave it at the base or wind it back up, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull it back to this other arch and help make this walkway a little more clear, and I might define it on the other side as well. So it's all ready, and I'm really thrilled with how it turned out. You could twist these tighter and have more lights closer together and use more strands of lights if you want. Okay, so it's all ready, and I'm so excited about how big this is, and I think it's gonna look great this evening, and I can't wait to surprise them. So let's go in and chat with them and then have them come out a little later when it's starting to get dark enough. I have a surprise for you guys. Are you ready to go see it?
You bet.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Oh, that is really cool.
Oh, that's beautiful.
How did you do that?
I love it.
Come walk on through it.
All right. That is so
I
neat.
love it so much I want to keep it up all year. Can I do that?
I hope this inspires you to build an archway of your own. They're super easy and anyone can do it, and great for so many occasions. Again, I'm Chas from Chas's Crazy Creations. Thanks for watching Hometalk, and I'll see you next time.
Bye.